What's up, boys? You know what it is. We're out here with the old girl. 172,000 miles on this thing. Let's go make some noise with this bad girl. What the hell? Florida, yo. I'm gonna stay away from this guy now. He's too wild. I'm just trying to go out for a nice cruise. He's trying to go crazy. Tonight we got the back seats down again. Nothing in the trunk, except because the road noise is so loud. That's the only bad thing about this setup. I didn't need to do all these mods to my exhaust if I had known earlier that just putting the seats down would make it so much louder in the cabin. It gets so much louder with the seats down. It's ridiculous. Name a better sounding V8. 0 to 60 is so much fun in this car. Yeah, my left mirror turn signal went out, and it caused the left turn signal to just keep flashing way faster. I'm gonna short circuit. What about the downshifts though? What about this car? This car is too much fun, man. Like I've had this for years, and I still have it. So there you go. We're at 172,000 miles. We've got new lifters, basically a whole new top end as of 144,000 miles, and that was for preventative maintenance because the harmonic balancer actually snapped off. I did realize, and then something happened, you know, life, and I drove the car a pretty good distance, and my harmonic balancer snapped off and ate into the timing cover, and I could have definitely avoided that if I had paid more attention, and life didn't happen like it did. But besides that, the harmonic balancer going into the timing cover and actually eating into the aluminum, so I replaced that, and then for preventative maintenance I replaced the entire top end. You know how it is with these cars, even the timing chain guides, new timing chain, buckets, lifters. I have the same cams actually. I don't know, these cams are a little bit different, I think. So I'm running a 3-inch catback. I still have my primary catalytic converters in place. And it's a straight pipe, no resonator, all the way back to the mufflers. It has a custom dyno tune by Eurocharged. It's pretty undrivable slow, unless you're in comfort mode. And what I mean by that is, if you're trying to be smooth in sport mode, just easing onto the throttle from a green light, it's going to be very difficult because it's so sensitive. And this is another point against the C63 P30 edition, is the suspension is really stiff. So if you're not into that, as you can see going over these bumps, it's pretty shaky. Actually, this car is really hard to find. So this is a P30 2009 C63. They only made this version of the C63 for 1 year. It is the one with the discontinued suspension because it was too stiff. I actually still have the same shocks in the car, and I look down, they're socks. They're definitely not socks, but I think you say sacks. I don't know. take this car out for therapy at this point. It's really just a great car to have if you had a rough day, and even if you had a good day, it's just a great car to have to take out at night and just get a session in, listen to the sound. The double overhead cam V8 is just a thing of wonder.